Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and find your zip code on Cash App. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, all you have to do is first of all access your Cash App app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, you will be able to access the profile icon on top right corner of the section. Simply tap on that icon and it will simply access your account section over here. Here in this section, you're going to find your account's details, which includes edit profile, and the below corner you will be able to find this option of a personal and favorite. Go ahead, tap on this personal option on top, and personal section you will be able to find your cards info, and below the section in your info section you will find this option of your address. Once you have tapped on your address, you will be able to see your zip code, including getting the option of editing it anytime you want, and option of replace address, which you can simply tap on it and replace the address if it has been updated or if you would like to change it, right? So simply going to your personal and tapping on this address would do. You can simply check out your zip code as well and can choose to replace it anytime or edit it anytime according to your need. So that is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.